The definition of a trapezoid is what? A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel lines. And it's important to note for what we're doing today that those parallel lines, write this down, the parallel lines are the bases. Because in order to do the formula to find the area of this, you're going to need to know what the bases are. Let me jot down some numbers here. Let's say this is 20 inches. Let's say this is 16 inches. Let's say this is 8 inches. And let's say this is 9 inches. And let's say this little dash line here is 7 inches. This is the area that you will use and forevermore on area of a trapezoid. Area of a trapezoid. Area of a trapezoid equals 1/2 in parentheses base 1 plus base 2 times height. Base height. And let me remind you, in math, when you're finding area and they use the word base and they use the word height, like in triangle, 1/2 base times height, what has to be true about the base and the height? Laney Tavarik. What has to be true about base and height? There you go. These all have to form right angles. So when you're talking about the two bases of a trapezoid, they're the two parallel lines because both of those lines form right angles with whatever line is the height. These have nothing to do with finding the area of a trapezoid. These don't form right angles. You'd use those to find the perimeter, yes. God bless you. This plus this plus this plus this gives you the perimeter, but to find the area, you don't need it, you don't need it. You just need this, this, and this. Two bases and whatever the height is. So putting it into the formula there, area equals 1/2. It doesn't matter which one you call base 1, base 2. This can one, that can that, it doesn't matter. 20 plus 16 times the height, which has to be 7. Okay. Make sure you put the parentheses because the parentheses are important. You cannot just take half of 20 and do it like that because that doesn't work that way. If you were going to do distributive property work, you'd have to take half of both of those, but it's best to follow the order of operations. 20 plus 16 is 36, and then you still have the 7 there. Now that it's all multiplication, you can take half of anything if you want. You can multiply these two together, take half of it, you take half of that, multiply by that, doesn't really matter. Half of 36 is 18, and 18 times 7, what, 126? 126 inches squared. Please make sure you get this formula down. Anytime you find the area of a trapezoid, I will definitely be looking for this. You want to write it down because I have an all-time new favorite sentence to give people. I can't remember what it is, but it's my favorite. something about 4 out of 5 mathematicians agree that short work is something that increases your odds of getting the problem right, and it decreases the strain on your writing hand. You're ready for another one, are you not? Now sometimes your trapezoid will look like this. And the right angle is already there. You don't need to be given a dashed line when this forms the right angle with that. Let's say this is 12, and this is 8, and this is 10, and this is 14. If you're finding the area of it, area equals 1/2 base sum 1 plus base sum 2 times height. What's my height of that shape there, Mitch?
The height is
10. That is absolutely 100% correct. So 1/2 of parentheses, base 1, base 2, interchangeable, doesn't matter which one you call it, but the height has to be 10. Twelve and 8 is 20. And you can either take, you can take 20 times 10 and get 200, cut it in half and get 100. You can take half of 20 and get 10. 10 times 10 is 100. You can take half of 10 and get 5. 5 times 20 is 100. Any way you slice it, you are always going to come up with 100, whatever that is. Inches squared. Your choice when it gets to multiplication into what order you would like to do. Question? I think this is rather straightforward. Or straight backwards. Or straight away nothing. Alright, then we shall proceed on with something incredibly